I've always been a storyteller. That still image is bond between myself and that vision in my head. My name is Jana Williams. I am a wedding and portrait photographer based in Hollywood, California. I've always been fascinated by sunsets. Such a precious yet fleeting moment. A fairy tale waiting to be fulfilled. Today, I am using the Profoto B10 to help me fulfill that vision. During such a fleeting moment, versatility and beauty is key. I need my equipment to be ready in minutes so I can focus less on the technology and focus more on transcending my vision.
With a simple tap, I can adjust the intensity and the temperature of the continuous light for a more natural looking fill light.
In this setup, the sun is acting as my key light, but since it's very bright, I need a natural looking fill light to prevent shadows on my model's face. I chose a softbox with my B10 as the fill light. My clients hire me because I add an editorial feeling to their wedding photos, and Profoto B10 helps me to create that edge.
With my Air remote attached to my camera, I can sync more than one light. Along with my softbox as a key light, I used a reflector as my rim light to emulate the sun.
The Profoto B10 is the perfect light that complements my sunset fairy tale.